Guys, today we're going to be doing some factorization to get this right answer to this problem right here. Well, let's get started. So this problem looks a bit harder, but it's actually like really easy. So first you want to do your parentheses for right here, because you need to use the factor PEMDAS. This is the factor of algebra, so you can get your answer from it. So you write it at the top, so you actually know what PEMDAS is. It's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, adding, and then subtraction. Yeah. So x right here, because like you grab this x and then you grab that y right here. So then this 2 is actually the square of these two. So basically we put squared here. So in the middle it would be plus because it's plus plus. So yeah. So this is the answer of the factorization answer. So you can actually like do this. So like, yeah, bye. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. Bye.